You're about to learn how to make annoying people disappear without moving an inch. Because here's the truth. The slow walker blocking the sidewalk, the coworker who needs to vent for the 47th time this week, they're all just background noise in your movie. And today, you're directing the damn thing. The psychology of not caring. Your brain's wired to react. It's why that text from your ex or your boss's last-minute urgent request sends your blood pressure skyrocketing. But here's the secret. Anger is just you paying rent to live inside their drama. Stop evicting yourself. The second you stop funding their nonsense with your energy, they lose all power. The background character method. Imagine Batman stopping mid-chase to yell at a random Gotham pedestrian. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's exactly what you're doing when you let Karen from HR live in your head. Treat these people like NPCs. No backstory, no stakes. Just mute them and keep moving. Expect stupidity. Here's a liberating thought. Most people aren't trying to annoy you. They're just bad at life. They'll double text nonsense, leave shopping carts in parking spots, and breathe loudly through their nose. Expect it. Anticipate it. And when it happens, smile. Because predictable stupidity is way easier to ignore. Rejection as armor. That guy in your DMs saying you're overrated? His most used app is probably a crypto wallet. The aunt who judges your life choices? She's still mad her pyramid scheme failed. Opinions are like bad Wi-Fi. If the signal's weak, stop trying to connect. Drama detox. Next time someone tries to drag you into their chaos, hit them with the 3-word kill switch. Oh, that's crazy. No follow-up, no reaction. Watch how fast their drama starves to death without your attention. Laughter as a weapon. Someone's rude? Laugh. Not polite laughter. Full, wow, you're a joke energy. It's psychological jujitsu. They want anger. Give them amusement. Now they're the ones lying awake at night, wondering why you weren't bothered. Exposure therapy. Want to become bulletproof? Start craving irritation. Let someone cut in line and enjoy the show. Read a dumb comment and screenshot it for memes. Your brain adapts. Soon, you'll crave chaos like a monk chasing enlightenment. So here's your mission. For the next 24 hours, react to nothing. Watch how quickly the world's nonsense starts looking like bad improv. And when you've mastered that, drop a comment with the dumbest thing someone's done to test you. We'll all laugh together. Smash subscribe if you're ready to live life on your terms. Now go forth and be gloriously unbothered.